Hello everyone and welcome to this online tutorial. Today we are going to show you a one length cut from start to finish. So first you want to comb the hair to remove any knots. Now moving on to our sectioning, part the head down to the nape of the neck. Now section the right side of the parting into a diagonal section, taking from underneath. Now mirror that process on the left side of your parting. Now we're going to move on to cutting. You want to make sure that your client's head is down to prevent any graduation. This means uneven hair length. Comb the hair and take the middle part of your section. Now use the club cutting technique to cut the ends of the hair. You want to ensure that your gown is laying flat by pulling it down, because if there's any bumps in the gown, this will cause graduation. If your client's hair is long, like the client in this video, then you may need to have them stand. Make sure you're checking the length of the hair by pulling 2 strands down and making sure that they end at the same point. Bring more hair over from the right side. Then bring more hair from the left side. Comb the hair through. And cut using your guide. You want to check the length of the hair by pulling a strand from each side to check the balance, so both sides are the same length and even. They weren't quite even, so you can go ahead and cut the hair a little bit more until they are perfectly even. Take your neck section from the right side. And then do the same on the left side. Comb through the hair. Then cut using your guide from the first section. Repeat this sequence until you reach the crown. Ensure that you check the balance of the hair throughout. Now moving on to the sides, turn your client to the side and this time their head should be up. Take a section from the back to use as a guide. Now take horizontal sections from the front and cut using the club cut technique. Repeat, taking horizontal sections from the front and cutting until all of the hair on that one side is cut. Now turn the client to the other side and repeat the same process. Taking a piece from the back as your guide, taking horizontal sections from the front, and cut using the club cut technique. Now to dry the hair, we did a smooth straight blow dry, which we have filmed for another tutorial, so be sure to watch that. Once the hair is dried, bring all the hair to the back and comb through to check for any graduation. If unbalanced, use freehand to remove any excess length. So that is the one length cut all finished. Thank you for watching this video.